My child. Keep going and stay focused, dear one. You will be rewarded for your effort. When you least expect and in the most magical way, something wonderful will happen. That will give you more stability within the direction you are being guided. Be proud of how far you have come and take time to celebrate the beautiful person you are inside out. Divine right time is fast approaching. Trust it. Type yes if you agree. You are here because not only did you ask to be here, but because your unique gift, your love, your energy is what is needed now more than ever. Stop fighting the old you, the old world, the old ways. Exhale, let it go. Let go everything that no longer works. Let go of being someone you don't want to be. Use your voice, take a stand, inspire others, and find yourself inspired. Type yes if you agree and also subscribe the channel. Thank you all.